Just got back from a train show with my neighbor, and I'm at his train display right now. I might be making a video of that later on. But for now, let's see what I got at the train show. A nice Fast Wheel Series Heavy Haulers tractor trailer